Hi guys, Stefan here from Tech Testers, and I think we've got something pretty cool for you guys. So we've partnered up with AMD and Gigabyte, not just to show you a very cool build, at least I think it's a very cool build, but we're also going to talk a bit about a free games promotion that AMD is running right now. And to top it off, we have a little surprise for you guys, so definitely stay tuned to the end. Alright, so AMD's free game deal, it's pretty simple. You buy a Radeon RX 570, RX 580 or RX Vega, and you get 3 free games, at least if you buy it from one of the qualifying shops, so definitely check that out. You get Assassin's Creed Odyssey, which is, well, doesn't really need any introduction. You get Star Control Origins, which is the latest strategy game from Stardock, and you get Strange Brigade. Now that's a game I didn't really know much about, but we've been playing it a lot over the last few weeks, and it is actually hilarious. So in total you get about $145, $150 euros worth of games when you buy one of those graphics cards. And to us that sounded like a pretty cool deal to make a video about. Actually, if you already purchased an RX 570, RX 580 or Vega somewhere in the last month or so, it might be possible that you already qualify for those games. So be sure to check out the description below where we have a link to the terms and conditions and exactly how it works, because if you actually purchase one, you might already get those games for free. Now, before we roll the build footage, I just wanted to say thank you to AMD and thank you to Gigabyte for making this possible, and also thank you to InWin and NZXT for turning this build, which was supposed to be a pretty typical tower, into something just a little bit more insane. Enjoy. So that's where we're going to leave it at today, and we're pretty proud of this, but at the same time I still see a few things that I think could be improved and we should maybe change in the future, etc. So what we would love is to hear from you guys what you think we should do to improve this. Should we, I don't know, maybe crossfire some Vegas or gold wrap some of the things that aren't quite gold enough? Maybe we should just custom water the whole thing. Definitely let us know, and we'll be working on this build more in future videos. Now, as for the surprise we talked about earlier, we do have a few game keys to give away. So those games we mentioned earlier, we have 2 game keys of each to give to our viewers. So check out the giveaway link in the description below and be sure to subscribe to our channel because we will be announcing the winner of those keys in one of our future videos. So that's it for today, guys. We hope you liked it. Give us a like if you do, subscribe to see more, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.